Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a mechanical engineering tool. It is a centrifugal pump casing. So let's start it. Okay. As usually, for the first, please activate some snap functions in LibreCAD. There are three snaps: snap one endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap to intersection. Okay, let's start to draw. Okay, we start from this part. Select horizontal line, type the length for horizontal is 45. Left click to put the line and select vertical, type the length in the box 7, select snap point end, left click. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now select vertical parallel line. Okay, and type the distance 7, left click below the horizontal line. Now select horizontal and type the length 32 and select snap point middle, left click. Okay, I think we should delete the horizontal line we have created before. Okay, now use 2 points, draw line. Okay, right click to exit the tool, select this line and delete. Next, go to the right side. We will start to draw a circle. I think 1 2 3 big circles, and okay, next we need to know the center point of the circle. The distance for vertical is 72 and for horizontal is 55. Select circle, select vertical 72. Okay, sorry, vertical 70 in the box 72, select snap point end, left click. Okay, select horizontal and the distance of 55, type in the box 55, select snap point start, left click. Okay, right click to exit the tool, and for the first circle, the diameter for the first is 50. Select circle, center with radius, and type the radius for 50. 50 divided by 2 because the diameter is 50, so the radius is a half of diameter. Okay, the next circle diameter is 65. Okay, type 65 divided by 2, left click to put the circle. Okay, now right click to exit the tool. Next, okay, I want to create this part. Okay, we got the angle is 45 degree. Okay, we need vertical line to help us to draw. Type the length maybe 300. Select snap point middle, left click at the center of our circle, right click to exit. Okay, now select relative angle and type the angle is 45 and type the length. Okay, 100 is okay. Left click at the vertical line. I'm sorry. We have to change the angle -45. Okay. Okay, left click at the center of our circle, right click to exit the tool, right click again. Okay, this circle diameter is 3, so the radius will be 3 divided by 2. Type circle center with radius, the radius is 3 by divided by 2. Put the circle. Okay, the outside the circle, it is a circle, diameter is 3. Okay, select circle center with radius and type the radius 3. Oh, diameter or radius? Diameter, radius. Okay, it's okay. Put the circle. Okay, next we got line with angle 60 degree. Okay, no problem. Okay, we will use our relative angle. Okay, type the angle is 60 divided by 2 and type the length 100. Okay, left click at the line. Okay, put the line, okay, maybe there, and change the angle negative 60 divided by 2. Okay, put the line. Okay, right click again. Okay, now we will use trim tool, and left click at the oh no, we will use divide tool, sorry. Left click at the circle, the point, the circle again, and the point. Right click, you can delete unnecessary part from the circle. Now select trim tool, left click at the arcs and the line we want to trim. Oh, it's a big problem. Okay, extend again the line into the circle. Right click, select the circle and left click at the line. Okay, right click to exit tool, right click again. Now select again trim tool, left click at the circle or the arcs and left click at the line. Oh, right click again. Okay, we will use trim tool, left click. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, we will try again. Now use trim, left click. Okay, oh, this is a problem, I think. Select again trim. Okay, we extend the line. Maybe we will use divide tool. Select divide, left click at the line and the point, right click. Okay. I'm sorry about the problem. Okay, now use divide tool, left click and left click at the point, right click. Okay, delete unnecessary part. Now select trim tool, left click at the circle and the line, right click again. Okay, I think we should delete this one. Call. Yes, okay, it is a fillet. Yes, it is a fillet. The radius is 3, so we need to break the circle before. Select divide tool, left click at the circle and the point, the circle again and the point, right click, select unnecessary part from the circle and the length. Now use fillet tool, type the radius, the radius is 3. Okay, type the radius in the box and mark trim. Okay, left click and left click again. Okay, left click and left click again. Okay, right click to exit the tool. I think we should delete this arch. Select divide tool, left click at the circle and the point, the circle and the point, right click. Okay, now select the shape and select mirror tool, left click. Okay, for the first point of mirror line and the second point of mirror line, select original, click OK. Now select the two shapes and select mirror tool, left click for the first point of mirror line and the second point of mirror line, select original, click OK. Okay, time to use divide tool, select divide, left click and left click at the point, left click again and left click at the point, left click again and left click at the point, left click again, the circle and the point, the circle and the point, the circle and the point, right click. Now select unnecessary parts and delete. Select again divide tool, left click for the first point, left click for the second point. Okay, right click to exit, select the parts and delete. Okay, for the next I think we should delete this circle. Okay. It was our time. Okay, next okay, I want to create this part. Okay, we got angle 9 degree. Okay, I think we should use relative angle and type the angle is 9. Okay, length 100. Okay, left click at the, oh no, don't use 9, use 4.5. okay, left click at the vertical. Okay, and put the line, right click. Now change the angle into negative 4.5, left click at the vertical line and left click to put the line, right click to exit, right click again. Now use trim tool, select trim, left click at the line, right click. Okay, right click to exit, right click again. Okay, next. Oh wow. Okay, draw this circle 45, select circle, center with radius, type in the box the radius 45, left click. Okay, and right click to exit the tool. Okay, I think we should use horizontal line to help us to draw at the center of our circle. Select circle, select line horizontal and type the length 300. Okay, snap point middle, left click. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now I think we should use divide tool, divide. Okay, left click at the circle and the point. Okay, the circle again and the point, right click. Now select unnecessary part from the circle. Okay, now I want to create this fillet. The radius is 5. Select fillet tool, left click for the first and the second. Okay, the radius is 5, sorry. Type in the box 5 for the radius. Okay, mark trim and left click. Okay, yes. Okay, next okay, next I think we should delete this one. Oops. And use trim tool, select trim, left click at the horizontal line and the line we want to trim, right click to exit the tool, right click again. Okay, now use 2 points line, 2 points to draw the circle, sorry. Okay, now left click at the first point and the second point. Okay, right click. Okay, next use divide tool, select divide, left click at the circle and the point, the circle again and the point. Okay, right click, now select unnecessary part from the circle and delete. Okay, we should delete those lines. Okay, I think the last touch, select all the shapes and select create polyline from existing segment. Okay, next select all the shape again, select hatch tool. Okay, mark solid fill and click OK. Oh, okay, we have a problem. Okay, try again. Select all the shapes and select create polyline from existing segment. Okay, next select this part without the small circles. Select all the shapes except the small circles and select create polyline from existing segment. Okay, now select all the shapes and select hatch tool, mark solid fill and click OK. Yes. Okay, thank you very much. I think that's all for today. See you in next video with LibreCAD tutorial channel. Please subscribe to our channel to help us to improve our channel. Thank you very much. Bye.